Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. I am here with a new video where I am going to show you this standard cut crease look which I have created by using the Cat's Pajama palette by Laura Lee and the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So here you see this beautiful fluttery lashes and nice cut crease look. So personally I feel that the cut crease look makes your eyelid pop out and look bigger, and that's why a smaller eye always looks really nice with a cut crease look, and you have an enhanced eye like I do. I personally also have a small eye. If you see, it makes your eyes look much bigger, better and bolder in a nicer term. If you want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are, and first we'll be starting with priming our eyelid with the foundation of Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours Long Lasting Makeup. So first we'll be starting with the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'll be starting with the darkest shade called Cyprus Umber. That's this shade right here, and we'll be digging in that and applying it right on the crease. So I'll be using the same color Cyprus Umber on the outside corner as well. So first I'm trying to bring out as much pigment as we can from this color, and then we will blend the entire eyeshadow. Oh, I think I should put some powder below my eyes to get off all the fallouts which we will get. So I'll quickly do that and be right back. So here we are, and we are going to dig in this shade called Golden Ochre to smudge this entire Cyprus Umber out of the scene. So with soft circular motions, I am just trying to blend this entire eyeshadow, and there you see a blended look. Also, during the process of this blending of the eyeshadow, we lose a little bit of the pigment of the crease color as well. So after we do this, we can again go to Cyprus Umber and darken up our crease, and then again building up this shade right here. So now I'll be going in the Cat's Pajama palette by Laura Lee, and we are going to take two shades from this palette called Buon, Diggity and Cray. So now I'm going to use a clean, soft, fluffy brush, dust off all the excess and go over this entire patch to create more gradients. And now we are going to go for the kill, and here we are going to cut our crease for this small duo concealer palette which I have from Sheer Cover. So to cut the lid, you should always have something which is more thicker and more pigmented in concealers. I am just going to take a little bit above my crease. If you want, you can go up with some glitters and some sparkles so that you have a beautiful glamorous cut crease look, and to have more sophisticated and classier one, you can always pop on some matte. So to this cut crease look, I am going to apply this shade called Primavera. Now I'm taking this shade called Cyprus Umber again to just finish up the edges of this look. Now to add a little bit of more glam to this look, I'm going to take the Hen Feng liner in silver, and I'm just going to place some glitters on the place where we've cut the crease. So now I'll be using the Maybelline Gel Liner to line my eyes, and I'm going to pull out a very long wing here to make this look so snatched and so sexy. Okay, so moving on, we are going to go to the lower lash line, and we are going to place some Cyprus Umber on the entire lower lash line now. And here there's a little bit of twist which I'm going to add by putting on some shade called Love Letter on the lower lash line as well, and that's gonna look so extravagant. And to brighten up my inner corner, I'm going to use this shade called Vermeer, and now some small fluffy brush in the shade called Buon Fresco to just smudge out the lower lash. So I am going to use Velvet Teddy from MAC. That's an eye kohl pencil. And so here we put some mascara from MAC. I am going to put a heavy coat of mascara on my eyelash, and I'm going to apply a nice coat of it on my lower lash line as well. So now I'm going to apply some lashes. I am going to go with the Versali lash. So now I'll zoom you out and we'll quickly get on the face. So as you see, my base and bronzing and contouring is already done. We are going to quickly go on the blush. So the most missing thing on the planet Earth is some shine on the face, and we are going to go in this glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we are going to grab some shade called White Sand and Amber Gold, right? And we are going to grab some shine for the face. So I am going to apply this highlighter on my cheeks, on my nose, above my eyebrows, on the cupid's bow, and on the chin, a little bit on the forehead, and on my brow bone as well. And there we are, all set, glowed and highlighted. And now we are going to go to the lips. So to line my lips, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Lip Pencil, and it's Forever Silk Lip Liner in the shade called Stamped Blind. So I'm using the lipstick from NYX Cosmetics, and that's a liquid satin finish lipstick, and there I'm applying it right on the center of my lips. So to this I am going to apply a lip gloss from Bobbi Brown, and this is going to add some shine and sparkle to the look. So here we come to an end of this video, and this is my final cut crease look which I have done. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and do not forget to check the description box below to check my other videos out, and also the products which I have used. So this was it. I'll see you in my next one.